Hi, are you ready for your driving lesson today? Yes, I'm excited to start. I've been studying the driving manual and practicing some basic maneuvers. That's great. Let's begin by adjusting your seat and mirrors for a comfortable driving position. Okay, I've adjusted everything. What should I do next? First, let's fasten our seatbelts. Safety is always a priority. Now, let's start the engine. The engine is on. What's the next step? Before we move, check your blind spot by looking over your shoulder. It's essential to be aware of any vehicles or pedestrians around. I've checked my blind spot. What should I do now? Use your turn signal to indicate your intention. Let's practice making a right turn at the upcoming intersection. I'll activate my right turn signal. Do I need to slow down? Yes, reduce your speed and start braking as you approach the intersection. Remember to yield to any oncoming traffic. I see a car coming. I'll wait for it to pass before making the turn. Good observation. Once it's clear, turn the steering wheel smoothly and accelerate gently after completing the turn. I've made the turn successfully. What's next? Maintain a safe following distance from the car ahead of us. It allows us enough time to react and stop if needed. I'll keep a safe distance. What if I need to change lanes? Signal your intention. Check your mirrors and glance over your shoulder to check your blind spot. If it's clear, you can change lanes. Okay, I'll remember to use my signals and check my blind spot. Is there anything else I should know? Always obey traffic laws. Be mindful of speed limits and watch for pedestrians and road signs. With practice, you'll become a confident and responsible driver. Good morning. Are you ready for your first driving lesson? Yes, I'm excited, but a little nervous too. That's completely normal. We'll start with some basic driving vocabulary. First, let's learn about the different car controls. This lever here is the gear shift. It allows you to change gears. Got it. So I shift gears by moving the lever? Yes, that's right. And next to it is the handbrake, which you use to keep the car stationary when parked. Okay, I see it. What about these pedals? The pedal on the right is the accelerator. You press it to make the car go faster. The pedal in the middle is the brake, which you use to slow down or stop. The pedal on the left is the clutch, but we won't be using that today. Alright, I understand the pedals now. Great! Now, let's talk about some common road signs. Do you recognize this one? It's a stop sign. Yes, I know that one. It means I have to come to a complete stop before proceeding. Exactly. And how about this one? It's a yield sign. I think it means I have to give way to other vehicles. That's correct. Now, let's move on to turning. When you want to turn left or right, you need to use indicators to signal your intention to other drivers. I'll remember to use my indicators when turning. Good. And don't forget to check your blind spots before changing lanes or making a turn. I'll make sure to check my blind spots for other cars. Lastly, always remember to keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. This will give you enough time to react if they suddenly stop. I'll keep a safe distance to stay safe on the road. Excellent. Now that we have covered some important driving vocabulary, let's start the engine and begin practicing. Remember to stay calm and focused. Thank you I'm ready to give it a try.